Today is a special day for us in Pakistan and in the United States. We have completed 75 years of our national independence. Pakistan was a dream in the 1940s. Some thought it would never come true. But our forefathers and the people of Pakistan, through their steely determination and sacrifices, opened the way for this miracle. We in Pakistan believe that creation of our state was divine will. We are custodians of that trust, that vision called Pakistan. Nation building has not been an easy task for us. We rode through many storms, many challenges lie ahead. But as individuals, communities, and a nation, we are confident that we will succeed. God is with us. Today we also celebrate 75 years of our diplomatic relations and friendship with our ally and partner, the United States of America. In the past 7 decades, together we have achieved a lot, and we commit ourselves to working together for peace, security, and stability in the future. Most importantly, we will strengthen our people-to-people ties that will nurture our relations at all levels. Long live Pakistan, United States friendship.